हेलो एवरीवन, आई एम मोहम्मद सलीम एंड वेलकम टू द चैनल राइट डायरेक्शंस बाय सलीम। तो आज है 19 जून 2020। आज के करंट अफेयर्स पढ़ लेते हैं। पहली है कि अर्जेंट प्रोक्योरमेंट ऑफ 21 MiG 29S 12 Su-30s फॉलोइंग बॉर्डर टेंशंस। ठीक है। Earlier during the Indian Air Force Day on 8th of October 2019, Rakesh Kumar Singh Bhaduria, who was Chief of Indian Air Force, stated about the plans for procuring additional aircraft. Now, following the clashes and intense face-off along the line of actual control over the last couple of months, the proposal for procurement is likely to get its final approval next week. As per media reports, a fast-track purchase of 21 additional MiG or say 21 additional MiG-29 and 12 Sukhoi Su-30 MKI fighter jets with an estimated cost of around 6,000 crore is likely to be made. Thus, the delivery of the fighter jets may take a couple of years from the date of purchase. Since the 2017 Rafale deal, this combined 33 fighter jets will be the first to be ordered for the Indian Air Force. India has purchased a total of 36 Rafale fighter jets from French company Dassault Aviation DASS AULT. 36 Rafale jets from French company Dassault Aviation at a cost of around 58,000 crore। ठीक है ना। ये जो 36 रफ़ाल फाइटर जेट्स जो है फ्रेंच कंपनी डसाल्ट एविएशन से जो है 58,000 करोड़ के। ठीक है ना। हाँ, MiG-29 फाइटर जेट्स का देखते हैं। इंडियन एयर फोर्स हैज़ already 3 squadrons of MiG-29 fighter jets in service. Russian company Mikoyan, MIKOYN. Mikoyan is the manufacturer of MiG-29 aircraft. All equipments and radar of the newly procured fighter jets will be as per the latest standard. Now, Su-30 MKI के बारे में देखते हैं। Su-30 MKI के बारे में रशियन कंपनी सुखोई डिज़ाइंड सुखोई Su-30 MKI is under license manufactured for the Indian Air Force in India by the Hindustan Aeronautics Limited (HAL). At present, the Indian Air Force has a total of 260 Su-30 MKI fighter aircraft in service. मतलब 260 अभी Su-30 MKI सर्विस में। The 12 Su-30 MKI fighters will be manufactured at the Nasik, Maharashtra facility of the HAL. हाँ, boost to make in India। ठीक है ना। आगे ये लाइन है। Apart from the Su-30 MKI fighter jets to be manufactured by HAL HAL, the Bengaluru-based Indian state-owned company is likely to get the biggest ever Make in India project for an order of 83 Tejas light combat aircraft Mk-1A this year. The order is estimated to be valued at around 38,000 crore। ठीक है ना। ये हो गया पहला टॉपिक। दूसरा है कि कोविड टेस्टिंग आई लैब क्रिएटेड बाय द DBT AMTZ कमांड कंसोर्टिया फ्लैग्ड ऑफ बाय यूनियन मिनिस्टर फॉर हेल्थ एंड फैमिली वेलफेयर। ठीक है ना। On 8 June 2020, the Union Minister for Health and Family Welfare, Dr. Harshvardhan, has launched the iLab, means Infectious Disease Diagnostic Laboratory, in New Delhi. This is the first ever iLab in India that was launched. The iLab will help in scaling up the testing of COVID-19 across the country. It will be deployed by the Department of Biotechnology in one of the COVID testing hubs. At present, there are more than 20 such hubs in the country operating on a daily basis. These hubs have 100 testing laboratories that have conducted about 2,60,000 tests to date. ठीक है ना। Objective of the iLab. The iLab is a mobile testing facility that will be used for collecting samples and testing for COVID-19 across the inaccessible areas in the rural regions of the country. हाँ, DBT-AMTZ command, COMM ठीक है ना, command. Along with Asia's first medical equipment ecosystem, Andhra Pradesh MedTech Zone AMTZ, located at Visakhapatnam, the Department of Biotechnology DBT has set up DBT-AMTZ command. Command means COVID MedTech Manufacturing Development Consortia for addressing the shortage of technology in the field of healthcare. The country's first ever eye lab was built in a record time of 8 days at the AMTZ. So what is eye lab? The mobile testing facility, apart from COVID-19, is also capable of diagnosing other infectious diseases. Some of its features are: number 1, each of these eye lab can conduct 25 RT-PCR, that is reverse transcription, RT-PCR reverse transcription polymerase chain reaction test every day. 300 ELISA means enzyme linked amino acid test, and also has the specifications to conduct tests for diseases like HIV, TB, etc. The labs are designed in BSL2 biosafety level 2. BSL2 means biosafety level 2 facility, having diagnostic equipments and can be lifted from automotive chassis, CHASSIS chassis. The automotive chassis, which is frame of the vehicle, is designed and built by Bharat Benz. ठीक है ना, ये टॉपिक हो गया. हाँ, तब नेक्स्ट टॉपिक हम देखते हैं कि 25 schemes will be brought together under गरीब कल्याण रोजगार अभियान. ठीक है ना. Via video conference on Saturday 20th June 2020, Prime Minister Narendra Modi will launch the massive rural public works scheme Garib Kalyan Rozgar Abhiyan. Aim of the scheme. Under the scheme, the aim will be to reduce the economic impact faced by the rural parts of the country due to nationwide lockdown by providing livelihood support to the rural citizens, especially for the migrant workers. The central government has set up a target of 125 days for achieving the targets under the scheme in 116 districts across the country by bringing together about 25 schemes under the Garib Kalyan Rozgar Abhiyan. How the scheme will work? From 116 districts across 6 states, that is Odisha, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand, Rajasthan and UP, a total of 6.7 million migrant workers, that is about 2/3 of total returning migrant workers in the country, have been mapped out according to their skill sets by the central government with the help of particular state governments. All the selected districts have a minimum of 25,000 returning migrant workers. Under this scheme, 25 merged schemes of the government consist of schemes for hose construction, safe drinking water through tap connection to households, road construction, etc. The returning migrant workers who require a job will be hired based on their skill set under the scheme. Now, budget of the scheme. Garib Kalyan Rozgar Abhiyan is a part of the relief package of 20 trillion announced by the central government in the month of May 2020. For the year 2020 to 21, Finance Minister has announced that in the finance budget on 21st Feb 2020, a total of 61,500 crore for creating new job opportunities in the rural sectors of the country. On Thursday, 18 June 2020, the Finance Minister has announced that a total of 50,000 crore will be infused in the Garib Kalyan Rozgar Abhiyan from the already approved 61,500 crore from the central budget. A separate 40,000 crore was approved by the central government last month for creating jobs in the rural sectors across the country. This amount was not part of the amount approved under the central budget of 61,500 crore. ठीक है ना. Some other current affairs related to economy and corporate. Indian economy to contract by 4% in 2020 to 21 and it will grow by 5% in 2021 to 22 as per the ADB in its Asian Development Outlook ADO report. Next, Fitch Ratings FITCH. Fitch Ratings retains India's sovereign rating at BBB, changes outlook to negative from stable. Then PM launches auction of 41 coal blocks for commercial mining, a move that opens India's coal sector for private players. Next, France to provide loan of 200 million euros to India to support Delhi's COVID response. Next, Saudi Arabia's Public Investment Fund to invest 11,367 crore in Jio platforms for 2.32% stake. Then some other news from the world. India, Ireland, Mexico and Norway are elected as non-permanent members of the UN Security Council for 2-year term. India, Ireland, Mexico and Norway. Next news. Nepal's parliament approves new map that lays claim to Indian territory in Uttarakhand Pithoragarh district. Next news. Turkey's Volkan Bozkır elected president of 75th UN General Assembly. Turkey's Volkan Bozkır elected as president of 75th UN General Assembly. Next news is 2020 Sony World Photography Awards. Uruguay's Pablo Alvarenga named as Photographer of the Year in Professional category. Next news is The Room Where It Happened. एक बुक का नाम है The Room Where It Happened, a book by US President Donald Trump's former National Security Advisor John Bolton to release on June 23. ठीक है, The Room Where It Happened. Next news. US President confirms plans to withdraw 95,000 American soldiers from bases in Germany. 9500 अमेरिकन सोल्जर्स जर्मनी के बेसिस से निकालेगा ट्रंप. देन अमेज़न इंडिजिनस चीफ पोलिन्हो पाइकन डाइज ऑफ कोरोना वायरस इन ब्राज़ील एज 65. कि अमेज़न का इंडिजिनस चीफ जिसका नाम था पोलिन्हो पाइकन PAULINHO पोलिन्हो पाइकन कोरोना वायरस से 65 ईयर की एज में मर गया. देन सस्टेनेबल गैस्ट्रोनॉमी डे सेलिब्रेटेड बाय UN ऑन जून 18. सस्टेनेबल गैस्ट्रोनॉमी डे UN मनाता है यूनाइटेड नेशंस 18 जून को. इसके साथ हमारी आज के करंट अफेयर्स की ये वीडियो ख़त्म होती है. इसलिए अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो शेयर करो, सब्सक्राइब करो, लाइक करो. थैंक यू वेरी मच. गॉड ब्लेस यू.